Stow on a medium heat. Add to medium sliced onions. Fry until golden brown but not burnt. Drain on absorbent paper. Begin frying the chicken until seared on all sides. Add the first spice mix. Add a cup and a half of Greek-style yogurt. Now add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Simmer on a medium heat. Reduce down until you get a lentil soup consistency. Prepare the fried onions you set aside earlier to be blended. Add water if necessary to help the blending of those onions. Add the cup of cashew nuts and blend with the onions. By now you should have a smooth paste to set aside. Add spice blend too. Add a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of ground pepper. Now add the onion and the cashew paste from earlier. At this point you could drain off excess oil if preferred. Fry a handful of raisins and flake almonds until the raisins are swollen. Garnish with the raisins, almonds, and coriander leaves and serve. Enjoy and please share, like.